Zakir Naik quotes on life. If exposure of body is modernism, then animals are more modern than humans. The concept of God espoused by a religion cannot be judged by merely observing the practice of its followers. Every Muslim should be a terrorist. Zakir Naik. In Islam, woman is considered a homemaker. She is not considered a housewife because she's not married to the house. The concept of God espoused by a religion cannot be judged by merely observing the practice of its followers. I have always condemned terrorism, because according to the glorious Quran, if you kill one innocent person, then you have killed the whole of humanity. In fact, a Muslim should be a source of peace for innocent people. Those whose intelligence has been stolen by material desires surrender unto demigods and follow the particular rules and regulations of worship according to their own natures. Zakir Naik. The psychological constitution of man is such that he accepts the existence of the Creator unless he has been conditioned to believe the contrary. In other words, belief in God requires no condition, while a rejection of God does. Zakir Naik.